Hello! To get started using the telescope, first download the Seestar app. After downloading, open the app and turn on the Seestar by holding the power button for a few seconds until the Seestar turns on. It will take a few minutes to power up, signaling it's ready with a verbal cue. Once the Seestar is ready, click the connect button in the app. You may need to turn your Wi-Fi off and on to help it connect. After you are connected through the app, navigate to the solar system button and choose a planet to see. Once you tell the Seestar to go to a planet, it will take 3 to 7 minutes adjusting its alignment. If you have a clear night and your object is within sight and within the night sky, you should be able to see it.
Okay. When you have your data, you're going to want to take pictures over a set period of time, roughly 7 to 8 days. And that means looking at the skies and knowing when you're going to have clear nights. You're going to want to take pictures at least a couple hours apart. So maybe Monday at 8 and Thursday at 12, taking a couple pictures every night when Jupiter is at its peak, which you can see in the app. And then using that data, you're going to put it into some software, an app, or a website that will allow you to count the number of pixels between the center of Jupiter and the center of whatever moon you're measuring. Using this data, you can create an Excel sheet with pixels and hours in between the shots, and then put that into Desmos, making a sinusoidal regression. Sorry, and then you can look up on Desmos how to make a sinusoidal regression. It's really easy. And then using that, you might want to adjust it because the sinusoidal regression is not always going to fit exactly the period or tau that you need. For ours didn't fit. We had to adjust the amplitude because remember, tau and amplitude are not related. So you can get the correct tau, but have a different amplitude that's not exactly right. You might have to adjust that. And then once you have that, you have your tau and your amplitude.
The last step is to figure out how to convert from pixels into meters. So you will be able to convert from pixels into radians using the field of view of the Seestar that is on our poster. From there, you use the arc length formula to convert from radians into meters. You will have to Google the diameter of, the actual diameter of Jupiter for this, which, doesn't really change, but the distance from Earth to Jupiter does change and is constantly changing because, different orbits and all of that. But once you get the arc length formula for that figured out, you should have a formula to convert from pixels into meters. And then you can plug your amplitude in pixels and convert that into meters, and you'll be able to find your mass of Jupiter.